Let's see what's the most powerful, skeleton or snowman. Let's go, let's go. Okay, let's see, let's clear this ground. Oh shit, it's wrong block, wrong. Okay, let's go, let's go. Yeah, look at that, look at that. Oh, skeleton is much stronger. So, I need to dispose of evidence. So, I'ma kill you right away. Bye bye. uh, how do I fight other hostile mobs with other hostile mobs? Huh? I think I'm crazy. Okay, I hear you. Okay, let's go. Let's go do that. Okay, with the power of commands, I can turn them into friends to foes. Okay, let's see. Okay. Oh, snap. Oh my god. Okay, he won. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna teach you right away how to do it now, man. So here's our winner for the fight for zombie versus skeleton, and now I'm gonna teach you how to do it. So first, you slash damage so that you inflict damage towards them, and then you call the mob that which you want to fight. Example, in my case, type equals zombie, and then the amount, we're just gonna pick one so that they don't die, and then just pick any of these. I just pick projectile because it's very easy, and then entity, and which mob is it to fight with the zombie. In my case, it's gonna be the skeleton. And now let's copy this real quick so that we can paste it once we place the skeleton. Now skeleton fight. Let's go. They're gonna fight. Look at that. Oh my god, the skeleton is everywhere. Oh my god. Oh, I think the skeleton is losing. Look at that. Oh, he died. Okay, that's for today's video.